Good morning, students. I'm Rajni Gehlot, PGT English from Bhaurav Devra Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Today, I am going to start new chapter of the book Vistas. The name of the chapter is The Enemy. Okay. So I am going to tell you first of all about the author of this chapter. The author of this chapter is Pearl Sidney Stricker-Burke, okay, who was born in 1892 and died in 1973. Pearl Sidney Stricker-Burke was an American writer and a novelist also. She was and she had a Chinese name. Her name was Tsai Jianzhu, as she spent her childhood in China. That's why she also had a name of Chinese, because she spent her childhood in China. So being the daughter of missionaries, and she was the daughter of missionaries, that's why she had another name of which was a Chinese name. She was awarded the Pulitzer Prize in 1932 and the Nobel Prize in Literature in year 1938. उन्होंने 1932 में पुलिट्जर प्राइज और नोबेल प्राइज इन 1938 में प्राप्त किया. ओके, एंड नाउ लेट्स कम टू द थीम ऑफ द स्टोरी. व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ दिस चैप्टर? The theme of this chapter is, first of all, the writer of this chapter conveys that there comes a time in a man's life when it is required for him to lift from petty considerations of race, nationality, act in human consideration. राइटर हमको बताना चाहता है कि हर व्यक्ति की लाइफ में एक ऐसा टाइम आता है जहां उसको ये सोचना पड़ जाता है कि उसके सामने ऐसी कंडीशंस आती हैं जहां उसे जाति और देश आदि के बारे में सोचना पड़ जाता है. मतलब एक तरफ तो होती है हमारी देशभक्ति, दूसरी तरफ होती है ह्यूमैनिटी और पैट्रियोटिक फीलिंग्स. इन दोनों ये जब दोनों चीज़ें सामने होती हैं तो हम डायलेमा में होते हैं. एंड व्हाट शुड वी डू, व्हाट शुड वी सेलेक्ट, व्हाट शुड वी चूज़, हमें अपनी लाइफ में क्या चूज़ करना चाहिए. डॉक्टर सदाओ, बीइंग पैट्रियोटिक जापानीज, हेट्स अमेरिकन. As he was a Japanese, that's why as a Japanese, as a patriotic person, he hates to the Americans. वो अमेरिकन से hate करते थे. Dr. Sadao is the main character of this chapter, the enemy. Okay, so who are the enemies of Japanese? Americans are the enemies. Okay, so the enemy gives the message, and this story was written at the time of World War. There was a world war between America and Japan. That's why they were enemy to each other. The enemy gives the message that humanism transcends all man-made prejudices and barrier. और ये जो enemy chapter है ये हमको एक मैसेज देता है कि ह्यूमनिज्म जो है, मानवता जो है, वो सारे बैरियर्स को, हमारे बीच में आने वाले सारे बैरियर्स को हटा देती है. जितनी भी रुकावटें आती हैं, अगर हमारे अंदर ह्यूमनिज्म है, मानवता है, तो उन सब रुकावटों को दूर कर देती है. यानी हम अपनी मानवता को प्रायोरिटी देते हैं रेदर देन द पैट्रियोटिक फीलिंग्स व्हेन इट कम्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस. जब हमारे सामने ऐसा कुछ टॉपिक आता है, ऐसा कुछ विषय, ऐसी कुछ कंडीशन आती हैं कि हमें मानवता और पैट्रियोटिज्म में किस चीज़ को सिलेक्ट करना चाहिए, तो वी चूज़ ह्यूमनिज्म. ओके, so Dr. Sadao upholds the ethics of medical profession in treating an enemy. डॉक्टर सदाओ जो थे वो एथिक्स, जो हमारे एज अ मेडिकल प्रोफेशन, मेडिकल में होने के कारण उन्होंने अपने एथिक्स को गिव द प्रायोरिटी टू द एथिक्स ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. एज देयर वाज एन एनिमी बिफोर हिम, but he gives importance to the ethics of his life, not to the patriotism. That story is a great lesson of peace, love, sympathy, fellow feelings and humanism. ये जो पूरी स्टोरी है is full of peace, love, sympathy and fellow feelings and humanism. मीन्स इस पूरी कहानी में हमें ये दिखाया गया है पार्ट में कि व्यक्ति का लव जो है पीस के प्रति, शांति के प्रति, मीन्स उस दौरान जबकि हमारे देश में, जबकि अमेरिका और जापान में युद्ध चल रहा था, तो उस समय लोग क्या था, अधिकतर व्यक्ति है चाहते हैं कि हाँ हमारे आसपास शांति होनी चाहिए, ये युद्ध जो समाप्त हो जाना चाहिए। और ये कब हो सकता है? when we have love to each other, when we have sympathy to the other person, then it may be possible. If there is the feeling of humanism, if there is the feeling of fellowship, then the war can be changed into peace. Now come to the characters of this chapter. How many characters are there? First characters of this chapter is Dr. Sadao Hockey, which I have told in the theme. That main character of this chapter is Dr. Sadao Hockey. He was a Japanese doctor and he was trained in America. He was trained by Americans. Though he hates to the Americans, but he was trained by Americans. And next is Sadao's father. He was much concerned about his son's education, a true patriot. And Dr. Sadao was a true patriot also. As like other parents, he was also concerned to his son's education, about his son's education. जैसे कि सारे पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों की एजुकेशन के प्रति कंसर्न होते हैं, ठीक वैसे ही डॉक्टर सदाओ के फादर भी अपने बेटे के पढ़ाई के लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा कंसर्न थे। हना, and third one is Hana. She also belonged to Dr. Sadao. She is also the part of his family. Means she was the wife of Dr. Sadao and met in America. She met in America with Dr. Sadao. They became friends and got married in Japan. But they became friends in America, but got married in Japan because he was an obedient son of his father. When his father gave him permission, then he got married he got arranged marriage in Japan. And the fourth one, who is the next important character of this chapter, is Tom. Tom is the American. He is the enemy of Dr. Sadao. He is an American prisoner of war, a soldier of US Navy. Okay, so now after these characters, who are other one? The old general. The third main character of this chapter is, first is Dr. Sadao, then Tom, and then the old general. Okay, old general was a sick Japanese army general, needed an operation, who only trusted on Dr. Sadao. Okay, and next one is an officer. There is a minor role of an officer who was the messenger of the general, and other one is gardener, an old gardener in the house of Dr. Sadao, who was working in Dr. Sadao's house since the time of his father. And Yumi is the next servant, next maid of Hana. She was a maid servant, okay, who take care of her child. And next is the cook, an old cook in the house of Dr. Sadao. Okay, so these are the characters of the chapter Enemy.